Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th lecture for MS Word. In this lecture, we will be going through more intricate formatting options in Insert tab of MS Word. So first, let us understand how to take a screenshot. So you would have all seen how to take a screenshot in your phone. That is, if you press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously, then whatever is present on the screen will turn into an image and that will be saved in your gallery. So Microsoft Word also gives us a screenshot option in which we can crop the certain portions of an image or anything, and we can save it as an image or a photo or a picture in the blank space. So let me show you how it is done. So first we select the screenshot icon, and then screen clipping options will pop down, and then we'll select that. Then if I want, I want this Google word to be as an image in my Word document. So what I do is I just select whichever portions I want. If I want all these portions, I'll select this. Now for explaining purpose, I need only this Google thing, and after I select, you can see that immediately that the thing that I have cropped will become an image, and then I will be able to move I will be able to move the entire image to the blank document, and then I can do further editing by pressing wrap text to square, so that I will be able to move it, resize it, and whichever way I want, I will be able to resize using these options. Okay, so this is how you put an take a screenshot in Word. So the next thing what I'm going to show you is let me delete this. The next thing is online video. So you can actually upload online videos also in Word. So let me go to this online video thing. So let us search for our video itself. Let me press my name, type my name, then it will search for videos. Then it is giving a lot of suggestions, and whatever video if you want, you can actually post. So let me post this multimedia, which was the lecture series 6. So I can press insert. So what happens is it inserts the thumbnail of that video, and if I press this, then I will be taken to the YouTube channel in which I can play this video. So this video will now play. So you can see that the video is started to play. So this is how we can add a video in the Microsoft. So you can hover, it will be acting just like a another YouTube page, in which you can edit and pause, and also everything you can do. Whatever options available in YouTube, that will come in the Word page. So this is how you can upload an online video onto a Word. So you mainly do this for actually presentations purpose. So if you want to do any presentation, or you can go through more videos also. So if you want to make your presentation more interesting, you can add online pictures and videos also. Another thing that we can add in Word is actually equations and symbols. So there is a set of predefined equations and symbols that are available. So first let us see symbols. So in symbols we have these symbols that are most commonly used. If you want more symbols, you can click the more symbols icon, and then more symbols will appear. So normal font, there are so many options which we can select, and so many styles. These are the recently used symbols. So special characters are available which we can add and autocorrect. Okay, so if you want this as seen, when I double click that, that will appear on the Word screen. So many things can be done. Okay, so this is how you select a symbol. So mainly this will be useful for writing formulas. Sometimes if you want to write any chemical, some electrical formulas, you need to use sin theta, cos theta, like that. So all the theta, see this phi is available here, all the alpha, beta, theta, all the Greek symbols, all the Latin symbols, everything will be available in this symbol option. See, can you see? All these symbols will be available, and whenever I start pressing that, then the recently used symbols table will also get updated. So you can you use these symbols easily, and you can save these symbols in the recently used symbols. Whichever symbol you use it more frequently. Okay, so this is how you add symbols to the word. So next is actually placing an equation. For example, if you want to teach any math subject, okay, so you will need to place an equation. So there is a set of predefined equation that is already given by Microsoft Word. That equations can be found here, like area of circle, binomial theorem, sum expansion, Fourier series, Pythagorean theorem. These are the most commonly used quadratic formula, Taylor's expansion, trigonometry, identity 1, 2. So these are the most commonly used uh, equations when we are learning and when we are teaching. But sometimes when we are submitting a review paper or a report paper, you might need to add more equations. Okay, so what we can do is, in the equation section itself, there is a insert new equation option. So when you click that, there will be a box that will be appearing here, which you can which you can type, and uh, you can type so that you can save your equation. So you can type anything. Actually, you can type words also. Here you have uh, here you have the symbols which you can add. For example, see, here you have alpha, beta, gamma, delta, all these symbols, degree, Fahrenheit, all the what units you can add, everything can be added. And also, see, when I press that symbol button, okay, sorry, when I press the equation button, there is an extra design tab that is open. So you can actually design how it is going to be, whether it is going to be professional, or it is going to be linear, or it is going to be a normal text. So everything you can actually uh, design using this uh, equation tab. So this equation tab can also be saved professional linear C. So I've told you, right? So now let us type a equation in this. So let us go to the design table. So we can add so many symbols that I've already told you. We can also add different formats like fraction. If you click fraction, see, you have different formats in which you can, if you press, you can write here X and then Y, like that. Many things you can do. For example, now after coming back, I want some plus or minus, then e power script I need, which is a power 2 I want. You can also add numbers. So 2a power, see, b I am writing. Then I need greater than equal to, sorry, more greater than, then radial symbols, which is root of, I want 2. Okay, so root of 2 I am writing. Then I am giving uh, multiplied by. Okay, so many things you can do. So in brackets, see, there are different types of brackets also. I'm putting the curly braces, then inside the curly braces I want a sine function. Okay, so in this I want to put theta. So let me put 5. Okay, so I have put 5. Then I'm again putting plus. Okay, so there are so many options that are actually available. Okay, so these are the basic max in which you can search for Greek letters also, symbols like letters also, operators also. So I have put plus. Now then I want a matrix. Okay, so this equation will not make sense. Okay, so I can put a matrix also. This is a 2 cross 1 matrix in which I can put 2, I can put 1, like this. So many things that can be added in this, okay, in this word, in this equation. So this is how we add equation to the word format. Okay, you can also move the equation wherever you want to. So next, in insert option, let us learn more about how to put signature, date and time and object. So first let me remove this. Okay, so signature is generally done in any formal documents like letter. So if I want any letter or any quick text box, so if I want to write my name, that is, if I write a formal letter, first my name comes. So what I do generally is, I go to this text box in which a simple already some predefined things are there. Okay, so I need to select my name. Okay, so in which I go to quick parts, then auto text, and then I need my name. So these are the name that are already saved. Okay, so if I press that, then already my name will start to appear. And then I have this word art thing in which I can apply a word art, like see Vyas, Kaushik. Like that I can apply many changes also. See, in this formatting option there are more changing editing options also. So if I want a different word art, and there are so many word art options that Word provides for us. Okay, so this is how you actually edit a normal text in Word. Okay, so the next thing, we have seen quick parts and word art. Next is actually a text box. Text box is nothing but there is a predefined structure in which you can actually design. So for example, when you are presenting, they see, so there is already a format that is given by Word. You need to just edit the content in the format. Okay, so I'm deleting this for now. So I'm going back 2 times. So I'm actually showing you how this undo options is very useful. And also there is a lot of give a lot of options, a lot of formats that is already given by Word. For example, let me use this format. So if I click that, see, to grab users attention. So to emphasis on some point when you're doing some presentation, these things will come very handy. Okay, so now let us go back to undo. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these 3 options and I will show you how to use them now. So now I have actually created a random text actually, but then I have given it a letter format. So I have given a from, a to, okay, and a letter format. So I have just put sir and subject, and inside that it's actually a random text. So to explain these properties I need some formats in which I will be able to explain to you clearly. So first let us understand this date and time. So in a letter it is very important that the date and time is presented. So we know that the date in a letter will be presented here, okay, in this place, or it can be presented in between from and to. So to need not be there in a formal letter. Okay, so in this I want date and time. So when I press date and time, today's date and time will be there, and it has many different formats also, and also in United States language also that is it is available. So basically in India we write 26, that is date, month, year. In United States format it is usually month, date, and year. So I want this kind of date. So when I double press that, then you can see that the date already comes in the desired place. Okay, so this is how you add a date. Next is how to add a signature and whom to sign, that is who should sign that document. So for example, if you're getting any permission like that, see, in our college we used to get permission from our dean always. So what we used to do is we used to do these things. So I press signature line in which there is an option. Okay, so this is suggested signer. So the name of the person should be there. Our dean name is Ramaswamy. So I'm writing his name, Ramaswamy, and he is the dean of the institution. Okay, so if I press OK, then you can see that who should sign and his position, that is the position for him in the organization will come, and here is where he should sign. Okay, with this we have come to the end of the first topic. So let me end it with a question actually. So when I double click this, the Microsoft gives me an error saying that to sign this Microsoft Office you need a digital ID. Okay, so how to create digital IDs or how to sign this in Microsoft itself, we will see in the next video. Hope you all understood how to edit Microsoft Office Word. So hoping to see all of you in the next video. Thank you everyone.